Hey there, welcome back to SAP with Veena. Let's understand the process of schedule agreements in S4HANA sales. So, we have a term called outline agreement, which comprises of both schedule agreement and contract. Now, schedule agreement is a long term agreement between the seller and the customer, wherein the agreement would already hold the confirmed delivery schedules as well. And we wouldn't be needing any extra order from the customer against the agreement. So, since the schedule agreement would contain the confirmed delivery schedules, once the components are ready to be dispatched, there will be an outbound delivery document generated. Of course, you're going to do the same post goods issue activities and followed with the billing. So, this is the explanation in short on SA. So, let's see how this is going to work practically. So, for creating the schedule agreement, we go into VA31. So, here we have various document types. So I'll be going with LZ, which is schedule agreement with release. And you also have LK, which precisely you'll be using for consignment activities. And with delivery orders, you have LZM. For now, I'm going with LZ. And you need to specify your sales area here. And I'll be picking the same customer reference, and I'm providing the customer reference date as well. And schedule agreement will be for a particular duration, so we need to specify from when to when. I'll take it as applicable from 16th of March till, I'll say, 30th of June. That's okay. It says the date is in the past. That's fine. I'm going to pick the material SD3 and the agreement quantity. I'll take it as 800. So we need to specify the price at which this material is agreed upon to be sold to the customer. I'll take it as 18. And here we have customer material number. See, if we have maintained the customer material info record, this customer material number would default. I mean, the material number what customer references with. So I'll just take it as A2. Sorry, I'll take it as A3. Now, if we have maintained the customer material info record, which can be maintained on VD51, this would have defaulted from there. So I've just entered it manually over here. So I call it as SD3. The customer reference is the same material at its place as A3. Okay, so now for this line item, we need to also specify the delivery schedules. So we have just in time and forecast delivery schedules. Just in time is wherein the customer is asking for instant delivery of the material, like to be delivered tomorrow, all that. Now, forecast is more towards medium term delivery schedules and long term, wherein it is rightly planned. I'm going to pick forecast delivery schedule. So, the delivery schedule, I'll just say like 1. Schedule date, I'm going to take 19th of March. And this is where we need to maintain the schedule. And the quantity, so I'll take it as 600. And I'll just add one more schedule. So here I'll take it for 200 units. Okay, I'll save this. So the delivery schedule is maintained as well in the agreement now. Whenever the components are being ready to be dispatched, that's when we create an outbound delivery, which we all know how to create it, but still, let me just create it. So the schedule what I maintained is 26th of March. So the schedule is for 600 units. And here, if you check the movement type, it is 601, which is equivalent to the one which the system automatically picks when we are doing outbound delivery document with reference to a sales order as well. Okay. So just that we have maintained the schedules directly in the agreement, and you can see the system has picked up the same movement type. Now let's do the goods issue. Okay, so for this we can post PF01. Again, the document type will be F2, it's fine. You can post the billing document over here. Okay, so this is how the schedule agreement will be handled in S4 HANA sales. So this is it for now. I'll be connecting shortly again. Till then, stay tuned. Thanks all. Bye bye.